Hello everybody, talk about kiwi, and its skin. Warning. This video is based on scientific evidence, and fact-checked by experts. The team of licensed nutritionists and dietitians strive to be objective, unbiased, honest and to present both sides of the argument. So let's get started. A kiwi fruit, or kiwi, also known as the Chinese gooseberry, is a nutritious and sweet tart fruit. This video reviews the pros and cons of eating the skin, so you can decide if you might want to give it a try. Can we eat kiwi skin? In fact, kiwi skins contain a high concentration of nutrients, especially fiber, folate and vitamin E. 1. The skin of kiwi is very nutritious. Kiwi skin is a good source of fiber, vitamin E and folate. Eating the skin increases the amount of these nutrients you get by 30% to 50%. 2. Most of the antioxidants are in the kiwi skin. Kiwi skin has a high concentration of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and vitamin E. These antioxidants fight free radical damage in many areas of the body. 3. Eating the skin can be unpleasant for some people. The texture of kiwi skin may be unpleasant to some people, and can cause mouth irritation, due to the presence of oxalate crystals. 4. Certain people should not eat kiwis. People with kiwi allergies, oral allergy syndrome, latex food allergies or a history of kidney stones, may want to avoid eating kiwis and the skin. Now, let's move on to talk about some benefits of kiwi fruit. Whether or not you choose to eat the skin, consuming the fruit of a kiwi is associated with a variety of health benefits, including 1. Improved cholesterol levels. Consuming 2 kiwis per day, for 8 weeks, increases heart-healthy HDL cholesterol levels, boosts antioxidant levels in the blood and decreases dangerous oxidation of LDL cholesterol. 2. Lower blood pressure. Eating 3 kiwis per day has been shown to lower blood pressure, by an average of 10 points in 8 weeks in some studies. 3. Better iron absorption. Pairing kiwi fruit with iron-rich foods can increase iron absorption and help correct iron deficiency. 4. Increased immunity. Eating kiwi is associated with improved immunity, and may help reduce head congestion and sore throat. 5. Improved digestion. Kiwi contains an enzyme called actinide, that may help your body more easily, and digest proteins in your food. 6. Reduced constipation. The fiber in kiwi fruit can help reduce constipation, and ease bowel movements, when consumed twice per day. As a bonus, let's talk about some tips for selecting, preparing, and storing kiwi. As known, kiwis are a hardy fruit that can last for a long time when properly selected, prepared and stored. How to pick a good kiwi fruit. If you plan on eating the kiwi skin, look for smaller fruits, as they tend to have more tender skin than larger varieties. While green kiwis are the most commonly sold variety, golden kiwi fruit are new on the US market. They have sweet yellow flesh and fuzz-free skin. Kiwi grapes, a miniature smooth-skinned type of fruit, can also be enjoyed whole. Look for fruit with smooth, blemish-free skin that gives slightly when pressed. If the kiwi is extremely firm, it's underripe, but if it feels mushy, it's overripe. Some research suggests that organic kiwis may have more antioxidants than conventionally grown fruits, so you may want to choose organic when available. How to prepare kiwi fruit. First, wash the outside of the kiwi before eating to remove any dirt, germs or pesticides. Soaking the fruit for 15 minutes in a mixture of baking soda and water may help remove more residue than rinsing with water alone. Kiwis are generally considered low in pesticide residues, but washing them is still a good idea since the fruit may have picked up other contaminants during processing, packaging or transport. How to store kiwi at home. Kiwis are typically harvested when they are not yet ripe, and continue to ripen during storage. The ripening process slows under cold temperatures, so kiwis should be ripened at room temperature and then moved to the refrigerator once they're ready to eat. Once refrigerated, they can last up to 4 weeks. As a conclusion, select kiwis that are firm and blemish-free, wash them well before consuming, and refrigerate the fruits once they're ripe. The bottom line. Kiwis are a delicious and nutritious fruit choice for most people. While the skin is perfectly edible, and provides lots of fiber, folate and antioxidants, some people dislike its texture. There are many varieties of kiwi to choose from, including several with tender, fuzz-free skin, so you can experiment and find your favorite type. People with sensitive mouths, kiwi allergies or a history of kidney stones should avoid eating the fruit and its skin, since it can exacerbate these conditions. Regular kiwi consumption is associated with many health benefits, including better immunity, a lower risk of heart disease, and improved digestive health, so it may be wise to include them in your diet. That's all for this video. If you find it useful and you liked it, please click on the like button below the video, and subscribe in your channel, Be Your Doctor, and please don't forget to activate the bell to get all our new videos in your notifications. Have a nice day.